Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasir, and today in this video I'll be unboxing the new Realme 9i smartphone that I have just received. It's got 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabyte of onboard storage and Snapdragon 680 processor and a massive 5000 battery. It also have fast charging and 50 megapixel AI triple camera. So it'll be running Android 11 out of the box and can be upgraded to Android 12. So let's go ahead and let's just unbox this thing and see what we have got inside. So let's start. So as you can see, we have got the box here, and the box can be easily opened like this, and so in the box we have got this box which has some kind of paperwork and also a silicone cover. As you can see, these are some of the instruction manuals, and we're gonna set this aside. And we have got some SIM ejector tool over here, and some more paperwork, this instruction manuals and warranty slips, etc. And this is the silicone case that we have got. So let's just put these things aside, and we're gonna just open the rest of the things that we have got. So here we have the phone with us. It is a heavy phone as compared to the Vivo that I'm using. It's quite heavy, and the weight is heavy. So let us just see other things that we have got in the box. So we have got the fast charger over here, and we have also got the USB Type-C cable. As you can see over here, it's a 33-watt fast charger from Realme Type-C cable. The strange thing is that we haven't got any headphones with us. I guess Chinese branded smartphones have stopped shipping the headphones. I don't know, because I have received the headphones with Vivo, but still we have got the phone in our hands, and let's just open this thing up and see what we have inside. So this is the actual phone that we have. It's in black color. It's quite shiny. As you can see, the glossy back of it, it's all glass, and it has some kind of a shade over here. Other colors are also available. The one we are using is a black color, and it has some a screen protector pre-installed with it. So yeah, it's a phone. You can see over here, it's beautiful. The Realme branding is there. We have got some cameras over here. So let's just open this phone and see what kind of interface it has. So let's just boot this thing up. So here's the Realme branding, and powered by Android logo over here, as you can see. So it's the first time I'm opening this phone, and as I have just received the phone. So let's see what we have. So it's the Realme branding over here, as you can see. So let's just run through this setup, and I'll get back to you. So here you can see we have completed the setup of this phone, and we will now jump straight to the lock screen of this home screen of this phone. As you can see over here, I have connected the Wi-Fi with it, and everything looks smooth over here. This has got a 90 Hz refresh rate, which makes it this phone very smooth to scroll, and I'm really enjoying it. It's very beautiful. The screen is very beautiful, as you can see, and yeah, everything looks great, and it's fine. As I have just opened the phone, so it feels snappier, it's fast, it's fluid. So I don't know what will happen if I add a lot of apps in this phone, but in the initial thoughts on this phone, it looks great, and it's very unique and stylish phone. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you liked this unboxing video, and remember, this is not the full review of this phone, and I'll be posting the full review after using it for a few weeks. So thank you very much for watching, and do support this channel. Hit the like button if you have liked this video, enjoyed it, and yeah, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any updates. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.